Hello students, now we will discuss the remaining questions from the lesson learning how to measure. Look at the fifth question. Already in the first video we have discussed the 4 question answers. Now this is the fifth question. Match the following. Here are some of the units of measurement and their values. So we will match them. A liter. Liter means how many ml? 1000 ml. So 1000 milliliters is a liter. Next, a meter. Meter means it is 100 centimeters. cm is centimeters. So this is 3. Kilometer. Kilometer means 1000 meters. So 4. Number 4 we will match here. Next, a centimeter. Centimeter is 10 millimeters. So, fifth one is the answer for centimeter. Next, 1 hectare. 1 hectare means 10,000 meter square. So, it is 1. So, this is the match the following. Next, fill in the blanks. Milliliter. Milliliter is a unit for measuring volume of liquids. So, milliliter is a unit for measuring the volume of liquids. Next, for measuring long distances, we can use kilometer as a unit. For measuring long distances, we use kilometer as a unit. Next question. 8th one. What method you will adopt to measure the volume of a banana? Explain. So, how we are going to measure the volume of the banana? We will see here. So, the volume of a banana can be measured by using a measuring cylinder. By using a measuring cylinder, we can measure the volume of the banana. So, how? We will see the procedure. So, look at the first point. Take a measuring cylinder and fill almost half of it with water. Next, record the volume of water. Let us assume it a centimeter cube or a milliliter. Now, tie the banana with a fine cotton thread. Put the banana gently into the water in the cylinder so that it is completely immersed in water. Now, notice that the level of water in the measuring cylinder rises as the banana displaces water equal to its own volume. Next, record the volume. Let us say BML. Now, the volume of the banana will be the difference between the second volume, that is BML, and the first volume, that is AML. So now we will see diagrammatic representation of this whole procedure. So the volume of the banana will be, second volume is B, first volume is A. So we will subtract them. From B minus A, we are going to get the volume of the banana. So here you can understand, children, this is the measuring cylinder. For example, half of it is filled with water. So, this quantity we are taking it as small a, as we have represented here AML. So, A. Next, in this measuring cylinder, we have tied a banana with a thread like this. With a thread, we have left the banana in the water, which we have filled in the earlier cylinder, measuring cylinder. So, what will happen when we are immersing the banana with the thread into the water level in the measuring cylinder will increase like this. See, for example, approximately. Approximately means like it will increase depending upon the size of the banana. It may increase in the volume of the water. So, earlier it was, for example, 40. Next, it is increasing to 50. So, that means some amount of the water level is increasing in the second one because of the banana. When we are putting the banana inside the measuring cylinder, the volume of the water is also increasing. So this increase in the level of the water is nothing but the volume of the banana. So first volume is A, second volume is B we have taken for example. So next the volume of the banana how we are going to get is B minus A, like this. Volume of banana is B minus A centimeter cube, or you can write milliliters. So this gives the volume of the banana. Okay children, in the next video we will see the other questions. Okay children, thank you. Keep watching.